So day before yesterday, we have seen the transfer order configuration. So we have completed 6 setups up to now. Okay. So
Okay,
today we are going to see about the transit time. Okay.
okay.
So what is the transit time? Transit time, you have any idea about this?
No, Abdullah.
So actually, for transporting purpose, we are using this transit time. Okay.
Okay,
So organization requesting material from another organization. Okay. S-
okay,
So then order is there. I mean, quantity is there. They have everything. But how they're going to ship the material? Okay.
okay,
Through by a air or rail or truck. Okay. They have a three
okay,
option to send the material to the another organization. Okay.
okay,
So which one will decide? Here only we will configure which type of airways we are, which types of transportation we are using this transit time. Okay.
okay,
So go to the setup and maintenance, manage transit time. Add here origin type. Origin type is the internal location. We are transferring material from within the country. Okay. So we have to choose internal location. Okay.
okay.
Origin is from where we are sending the goods.
Destination Chennai to destination to source.
Okay.
Source to
So
destination.
destination is Chennai, right? Sorry, destination is
Source.
source location is Chennai. Okay. Destination is
Okay,
Bangalore. So source location we have to mention here. Okay.
okay,
Chennai. Destination is internal location. It's in Bangalore. Okay. So just we have defined it from where we are sending the goods and where we are receiving the goods. Okay.
okay,
So here assign shipment method is there, right? Here we need to click that. So which one you want to send the material? Okay. By air or by truck or in a rail. So I'm choosing DHL air. Okay. Through air I am sending this goods. Okay. Within 1 day. So transit time in days means how long it will take for the transportation. Okay. I'm giving
okay,
1 day. So these and all weights and volumes. So how many weights is there and unit of measure, currency, these and all things we need to mention. Okay. I'm just
okay.
giving 100 kg. So UOM is a weight, right? So
Mm,
this is counting. Okay. And currency USD, UOM name. Okay. So this is
Okay.
year, and actually we have a two. We can give a two option also. Okay. So this one is by road we'll give. Okay. CR truckload is there, right? So this one I have you. Okay. It says 5 days. Okay. By road I'm giving 5 days. Okay.
Okay.
So in these two, which one I'm going to see the shipping method? Okay. That we need
Okay.
to mention. So default method. Okay. UPS here I mentioned. Here default is there, right? If you are
Yes.
enable this default means first it will take a default value as a shipping method. Okay. If you don't want to
Okay.
take this from shipping method, even if you want to change means you have to come here and enable the default method here over here. Okay.
Okay.
Else you can change from the shipping ship confirmation. When we are doing ship confirmation, there we can do it. Okay. So this is default shipping method. I'm giving UPS year next day. Okay. So one more thing we have to do because we are creating new inventory org, right?
Yes.
So carrier is a shipping agent, okay, who is doing courier service. That people we have to mention. So UPS here we have mentioned it's a default, right?
Yes. Yes, Abdul.
UPS year we have mentioned, okay.
Okay.
So here organization association is there, right? Here we have to assign our inventory R, okay.
Okay.
Chennai R and Bangalore R. We have to assign these two org to this carrier association, okay.
Okay.
That's it. So this also we have completed. So now we can create a transfer order. So which inventory not having the bank on hand quantity, which company is required? Sorry, which location is required?
Bangalore location.
Bangalore location is required. Okay. So what we have to
Okay.
do? Actually, there is a two method of requesting. Okay. So
Okay.
normally what they will do, go to item quantity, change your order. So whenever they want to check the inventory arc, they will come here and check it, right?
Yes.
Selecting Bangalore location, and then I will search our inventory item, Abhi item one. So they will search the inventory item. If they find like they don't have any inventory item, So what the warehouse people will do, they will go for this action. Okay, request transfer order. Okay,
Okay.
so they will click this request transfer order. So transfer order will be getting created. So what item we needed? Abhi item, right?
Yes.
How many item we required? 500. Just 100 item. I'm just giving. Okay, 100 item is required. Request delivery date. Today we are requesting delivery date. Okay.
Okay.
Requested delivery date means when you are requesting the delivery. Okay. So I'm just giving 10. Okay. I will give tomorrow. See here, supply details is there, right?
Yes.
Here you have to mention all the things like we are doing inventory items, right?
Yes.
So destination sub inventory. Which one?
Bangalore.
No, it's asking sub inventory.
Stores, I think stores.
Abhi stores, right?
Yes.
Source organization. From which organization we are sending the material?
Chennai.
Okay, Chennai means 6001, right? Abhi Chennai are okay.
Okay.
Source sub inventory. We have one. If you want to give, you can give, or else you can no need to give here. Okay. If you are multiple sub inventory, we should choose which sub inventory you want to take for the material. Because these warehouse people don't know which sub inventory they're having a material. Okay.
Okay.
So what Bangalore people do, I'm taking from this organization that only they mention. Okay,
Okay.
that's it. So project number, task number is not a mandatory. Okay, just go for submit. The supply request was created and submitted for processing. Okay, this is the number.
Okay.
Number is supply request number. Okay, then go to here. We are going for inventory or management, right? Supply chain execution.
Okay.
Same navigation and a different task. Okay, supply chain orchestration. Okay,
Okay.
so you can, I mean, there is a two option. I have told you, right? Already mentioned, right? You can raise from two option. One is from there, another one is here. Okay, new supply request. Both also, it's the same task. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so I'm going to manage supply line. This is Redwood page, okay? Fine. It will come to normal page. So where is our item? B item. Oh, it's not coming. So this is planning, okay? We have to run one concurrent for this, I think. Okay. So if the item is not coming means you have to run one concurrent, okay? So for
Okay.
that, just a minute, we'll see here whether it's coming or not. No. Go to supply chain planning, okay? Plan input. Go to this task, collect planning data, okay? This is
Okay.
what this will do mean it will fetch the all the data from the planning modules, okay?
Okay.
Net changes target. So in that collecting planning data, we have to select always OPS. OPS means Oracle platform. Okay, we have to choose this
Okay.
OPS platform. This collection type is a net or targeted. These two things are there. Okay, if there
Okay.
is a fresh instance, we are going to put all the item, okay, from the beginning, okay, from the first time if you are running means you can choose targeted. It will fetch all the data and it will come to the planning models. If you are choosing
Okay.
net changes, whatever created today, that will fetch the data and pull the data from the another model to this planning model. Okay,
Okay.
so which one we are required? Items, right?
Yes.
I think org also we have created. Okay, so these two are mandatory. On hand also, transfer order. That's it. Okay, just give on hand and transfer order here, item and organization. Okay,
Okay.
just submit. That's it.
Sorry to interrupt. After going the plan input, where we need to click?
Here, task is there, right? Task and
Okay.
collecting data. Okay, Okay.
Okay.
It'll take some 5 minutes or something. Okay. So until we'll see one more setups. Okay. In during sub inventory, material status will be there, right?
Yes.
Have you seen that?
Material status. No, not the.
So this one, material status. During you creating a sub inventory,
Mm,
one material
okay.
status will be there. Okay. This is active,
Okay.
and I know for what purpose we are creating this sub inventory. For quarantine purpose, okay, or reject purpose, which purpose we are using this. Okay. So in these setups, how we are going to create means material transaction, manage material status. Okay,
Okay.
just create one. Abhi. So what purpose we are creating? It's a expire item. Okay,
Okay.
expired sub. So usage for sub inventory. Okay,
Okay.
if you are using for locator, you can enable locator. Using for lot, you can give lot. Using for serial, you can. Okay, we are usage for sub inventory.
Okay.
So if you want to see the lot number and the serial number, you can enable. Okay, this item will show. I mean, this sub inventory will show allow to give the locator and lot number. For that purpose, we are creating. Okay,
Okay.
if you
But
want
we are,
availability, yes,
but we have not created the locator, lot, and serial number, right? We just created the sub inventory. Inside the sub inventory, we
yes.
not
Inside the
created.
no, no, no. When we are creating locator, okay. If you are
Mm,
choosing any sub inventory item, okay, there it
okay.
will not allow you to create a locator. If you are enabled here, you can able to see the locator.
Okay.
This is, I mean, in this sub inventory, if you have this kind of material status, then you cannot able to do the transaction. If the checkbox is not enabled means, okay.
Okay.
Availability is allow reservation. You want to reserve any item, you can enable this, okay.
Okay.
Including ATP. ATP mean in the sense, it's a planning model, okay. No, now it's
Okay.
not required. Net table also it's not required for you. Okay. So this is main important. So transaction, which one all allowed, which one all not allowed. Okay.
Okay.
So in case everyone will do for all. Okay. If you all means you can just click this double arrow
Okay.
mark, then it will come here. Okay.
Okay.
I need only for picking process. I need only for miscellaneous issue process. Okay. I don't want to
Okay.
uh, do the miscellaneous issue transaction. Okay.
Okay.
So kind of adjustment here you can do here. Sub inventory transfer. Allowed means fine. Okay. Allowed means it will all comes in your sub inventory. If you are sorry, this is disallowed, this is allowed. Okay. So already allowed transaction is there. Okay. Disallowed
Okay.
means if you don't want to do the transaction, you can select and transfer to here. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose if I do sub-inventory transfer means I cannot do the movement request and sub-inventory transfer. When you are selecting your sub-inventory, this sub-inventory will not show.
Okay. Okay.
You got it?
It's got it.
So for that purpose, we are creating this. Okay. This is only main important. Just note it. Okay. So we'll see. I'm not allowed for subinventory transfer. Okay. I'm just save it.
Okay.
Must enable the serial number before selecting. Okay. Okay. Any subinventory we have created. Uh, Abhi damage goods. Okay. So just I'm giving Abhi damage. So material status is Abhi, which one we created, right? Expiry.
Okay. Okay.
That one we have to mention here. That's it. So when you are doing inventory or transfer, sorry, sub-inventory transfer, oh, sorry, this is adding item. Create sub-inventory transfer. Okay.
Okay.
I'm choosing sub-inventory transfer. So which item? Abhi item. Okay. If I want to
Okay.
select the sub-inventory, okay, see that is not there. Only Abhi stores is there. Our item is not there because we have restricted.
Okay. Okay.
So now you got it right.
Yes, got it. Got it.
Suppose I want to do in another transaction. I'll do miscellaneous receipt. Okay. Abhi transaction. See, now you can able to see the damage because we are not restrict the miscellaneous transaction. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I think now we'll log and log out. See, now it's coming, right?
Okay.
This is our transfer order. Okay. If you want to detailedly check the transfer order number, this is orchestration process. Okay. This is we have defined in the order management. Okay. Now, so this is in progress. This is in logistics. Actually, there is no meaning for this. Okay. So both also it's a same thing. So where it's going to create transfer order. See, transfer order number is created. So this is first document. You are not understanding, right?
Yes, Abdullah.
So what purpose we are creating this transfer order transaction we are creating. Okay. So with the document, when you are doing inter transfer with the document, okay, we are doing
Okay.
this transaction. In this transaction, what we have done the setups and configuration. From that point, you have some ideas, right? So after the transaction, so warehouse people comes to know like we don't have the inventory in the we don't have the item in the our inventory. So what he did like we have do the supply request from the action we do the we click the supply request. Okay, supply request which and all things we have mentioned like a source sub inventory and target organization item which item you want to get from the another sub organization, everything we have mentioned, right?
Okay.
After that we submit the supply request transaction. Okay,
Okay.
this is the status for the supply request. So where this supply transaction tracking purpose we are using this. Okay, so, so see line status in logistics. So the if it is the status is logistics means this is having the material. So they have sent the material to our sub inventory. Okay.
Okay.
Always you have to choose the second line, logistics line. Okay.
Okay.
So this is a tracking. Okay, tracking purpose. So requested quantity is 100. Okay. Status in progress. In progress, what status actually we have in logistics? Logistics means import export. They are exporting the material. Okay. Supply
Okay.
source from where it's sending the material, Chennai. Supply destination where it's receiving the goods, that material. Request date we have requested 7th. Okay, tomorrow. It is a movement request or a back to back, everything will come here. Okay, whichever transaction we are doing, it will always you can see the status here. So now we are doing transfer order. That's why I click that and I go to the transfer order. Okay,
Okay.
so transfer order number is created. See the transfer order, which sub inventory it's choosing, which sub inventory is going to send the material. Okay, source business unit, deliver to requester. Reka, preparer, Reka. Okay, now you got it.
Yes, Shubhra.
Just for understanding, for the tracking purpose. Okay.
Okay.
So, what I will do once I create a transaction, suppose I'm in the Chennai warehouse. Okay.
Okay.
So I will see the transfer order is created. Okay. But it is not moving any material. Okay. If you just create the system wise transfer order. Okay. We have
Okay.
to send the material. Okay. So
Okay.
what I will do once the transfer order creator, I will copy this number. Okay. Everything they will get notification here. Okay.
So these are all setups are done by destination org people.
Destination, yes, destination are they will just supply the request. Okay. If you are
Okay.
requesting the supply request means automatically transfer order document will be created. This
Okay.
document will come to our warehouse, Chennai location. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So with this document, he is going to send the material.
Okay.
So now this guy going to send the material to another warehouse. Okay. Now I got the transfer order number. Okay. I'm going to shipment. First things, what will I do? Get from the warehouse, right? Sub inventory.
Okay.
So ship from organization. Which organization?
Chennai organization.
Chennai 6001, right?
Yes.
We will change the organization. Manage, create, pick wave. I told you, right? For picking the material, you have to choose the pick wave mode. Okay. So which